morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday morning here to talk to you about the gray markets. Okay, the corn market. All right, lower prices brought in very good exports this week, but export announcements yesterday. Stellar in the corn market. I think that's the key here going forward. We've got a lot of corn to sell, and exports are very, very important. Our first chart of corn here today, you can see we're bouncing a little bit. So I think the million-dollar question in corn as we wind down the trading year is the funds are short a few 100,000 contracts of corn, and are they going to cover those short positions or are they going to add to them? Remember last week I'd said the USDA December crop really gave no indication for these funds to cover their shorts. Corn inventories, corn stockpiles growing, so we'll see what the fund position does here as we wind down the year. I think ethanol is worth mentioning each week. Certainly U.S. ethanol, India, China, these big populated countries, they're interested in their smog control of their air and what better use than corn. India, more sugar-based ethanol, but certainly they're talking more and more about ethanol. And I think sooner or later, China is going to be buying U.S. corn to fuel up their ethanol plants. So we'll see about that. Okay, the soybean market. Well, I think it's safe to say that the bulls got Thanksgiving and the bears got Christmas here. You can see the chart of soybeans, our next chart, 7 days of lower highs and lower lows. See if you can see that. What happened? Certainly a lack of buyers here. These rains came in Argentina and were pressured down. These rains in Argentina, they're not drought ending, so we're going to be more normal rains in the months ahead. Keep in mind, 2 months from now is when all the soybeans pollinate in Argentina and Brazil. So it is a La Nina year. This is well documented. These funds, they're short in corn. They know the La Nina year. In La Nina years, you got a 70% chance of lower yields in Argentina and southern Brazil, for example. So we'll see if we don't get buyers down here at lower prices. Okay, China announcements, USDA sales to China, soybean sales this morning. We need that every day next year here going forward. Little chatter this week too. China is commenting that they don't want foreign materials of more than 1% in the soybeans that they buy from USA. Well, that's some chatter that's negative in here. Keep in mind again that China notorious for saying statements, driving soybeans down and coming in and buying them at lower prices. We ship a lot of soybeans out of the Pacific Northwest. I think there's 1% foreign materials out of that. And then the majority of our soybeans go out of the Gulf, and there is about 2% foreign materials out of the Gulf. So something to keep an eye on there. And then the wheat market, our next chart, you can see low prices here. It's dry in the plains. We've got less acres of hardwood winter wheat. These are some fundamentals that would make wheat rally a little bit, and it's not. So when you get bullish news and markets don't rally, they're not bullish. And just reconfirms the emphasis that Russia's wheat exports are the driving force in world wheat price discovery. Okay, grains close at 12:05 today. We reopen Tuesday morning at 8:30. And from all of us here at RJO Futures, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to all of you, and let's enjoy the one true gift that we have, our families. Thank you.